Just like this old oak tree, our roots here on the Sea Islands run deep. We carry the history of those who came before us. We live together in family compounds on the Sea Islands. We make our own boats and sew cast nets too.
It ain't that easy to catch fish. Huna must be lucky, any.
Seafood comes from the waters, and sweetgrass for our baskets is harvested along shorelines. Sweetgrass baskets are the official state craft for South Carolina. We sew a lot of history and heritage into each one. Yeah. We sew the baskets, sew the cast nets, and sew quilts. Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and her mom's quilts have been in movies and on TV. We love sharing meals as we talk about our traditions and family stories. As we gather together in unity, we know what Queen Quet says Huna must take care of the root for heal the tree.